This is the SANSI BR30 30 watt 4000 lumen LED light bulb. Let's take it out of the box. In the box we find a little light bulb guy, we find an information sheet, and here is the bulb itself. It's big, it's bright, it's SANSI. Now this will replace a 250 to even 300 watt incandescent bulb, and it puts out 5000 Kelvin daylight in color. It has a regular E26 medium base, it's regular light bulb base that we know of here in the US, and has a CRI or color rendering index of 80, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. Now let's power it up. Okay, here we go. Let the camera just adjust for a moment. And that's what it would look like on. In real life, it is just absolutely blindingly bright. Brilliant. With the room lights out, you can see how much light it throws over in this area. And if I take the light and shine it down here, you can see everything is lit up nice and bright. So this will put out a considerable amount of light. And shutting it down, now here it is in an overhead fixture, and you can see it shines light pretty well, certainly. It's dark over in the corner because the light points down, but you can see that anything on the floor is quite bright. So this would work very well in a garage or a workshop, maybe a shed, something like that, or even in the house if you have some of those recessed can lights. This would be a great choice for that. These are non-dimmable, however. So once again, this was the SANSI BR30 30 watt 4000 lumen LED light bulb. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.